So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right? If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial. So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go?
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? So if I get my money, I can get out.
You need to post a bond.
Okay, what's the bond? It's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault.
The second she walked in, it felt less like court and more like a one-woman meltdown. She actually shouted at Judge Simpson, the guy known for running one of the toughest, most orderly courtrooms around. Her excuse? Why can't I go home? While forgetting she was arrested for assault. That's like asking to leave detention when you got caught pulling the fire alarm. Simpson didn't flinch. He let her rant, rope in hand, until she hung herself. Pure patience versus pure delusion. The real question, does she belong back on the streets? Or is her cell already the safest place for her?
Christina Berry, people. Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. And is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a LaTasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you served.
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount?
5,000,
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now? All right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
Here's what blows my mind. Why do people treat court like open mic night? She's on an assault charge, yet acted like yelling equals innocence. That's not passion, that's delusion. The entitlement rolling off her is scarier than the charge itself. Courts are supposed to stop chaos, but she walked in determined to spread it. Simpson stood firm, refusing to let her tantrum change the rules. That's what makes him stand out. He lets arrogance expose itself without ever losing control.
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? if she just said she got a bond?
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out.
If you
But she just said it was no bond.
post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
Excellent.
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
okay, let's try this one.
If this was just the hearing, imagine the trial. Guaranteed meltdown. A jury won't reward tantrums. Maybe she gets 90 days, maybe less. But either way, the pause will help society breathe. The truth is simple. Justice isn't built on volume. It's built on facts. Simpson showed us why the loudest voice never wins in court. Now the real question, should she serve every day of that sentence? Or does she deserve a lighter shot?